Oh wow. Mazzucchelli original replacement crank. It has now 12,000 kilometers. It seems to be a bit dirty. Two, three, that's interesting. What's that? Okay, 2, 3. Clutch side has 2. Well, that's with the stump. Oh wow. That's 6. Why is that? That's surprising. Just 12,000 kilometers. Only original horsepowers in the Polini box. Weird. This one is always difficult to measure. Aye, aye, aye. 3, 4. That's surprising. Now let's check the press fit. If the cheeks twist or not. Where's the hammer? Hammer's gone. No, let me see. So. No, press fit is fine on this side. Let's check the other side. It sounds okay. Yeah, you can really hear it if these 3 parts are pressed well together. And it's a very light sound. No, press fit is fine. It's still good for an original engine.
Bist du deppert? Ein Biest!
Sorry, ja.
Bist du deppert? Ist das ein Biest jetzt?